The situation in the national capital remains extremely alarming, and that's the reason to impose this lockdown. Delhi reported 25,462 new cases in the past 24 hours. This is the highest since the outbreak of the pandemic last year. With this surge, active cases in Delhi have reached the 70,000 mark. Again, a new high. 161 people have lost their lives in the past 24 hours. And amidst this huge surge in COVID-19 cases, there's an acute shortage of ICU beds, beds with ventilators, beds with oxygen supply across the national capital. Of course, the Sardar Patel COVID Care Center has now opened. It has 101 ICU beds that are operational. This facility is being manned by the Defense Research and Development Organization and the Indian Armed Forces. The magnitude of the virus can be understood by the fact that the positivity rate in the national capital now stands at 29.64%, which means out of every 100 tests conducted, almost 30 are turning out to be positive. The Defense Research and Development Organization has set up this 500-bed COVID hospital near the Delhi airport. 250 beds are already operational, but there are long queues outside this facility already. And India Today's Kamaljit Kaur Sandhu gets us this report about how under stress is Delhi's healthcare already.
As Delhi reels under the COVID crisis, a lockdown has been announced for a week by Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. But here is the preparation done by the Delhi government announcing of 1,500 beds in 3 different locations. We are here at the Commonwealth location. Remember, the badminton hall, this Commonwealth game ground now being turned into a hospital cum bed facility. And remember, this is being run for Doctors for You, an NGO, but many of these doctors are now voluntarily being associated. On one side, you'll see Saina Nehwal's poster. On the other, it is PV Sindhu's poster. And in between are these hospital beds. And remember, even as Delhi reels under crisis, this is an SOS arrangement being done. Clearly, is lockdown the answer? Many would say breaking the chain, which was expected last year, has not really happened. But will this bring in a temporary reprieve, enough to prepare the state governments? Remember, a massive blame game of sorts is already taking place. Clearly, when we talk about preparations, all this being readied at this point of time, whether we're talking about equipment, but it's the next few days or perhaps months that will now ensure that whatever preparation is being done does fructify, and this does provide to be a savior of sorts. Remember, Rose Avenue, Yamuna Sports Complex and the Commonwealth Games all being prepared now as makeshift hospitals. With camera person Nasir Khan, this is Kamaljit Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.